Good morning, students. Today we are going to see our next session, that is session number 3, create and use template. So first of all, we need to know what is template. Whenever we open a document in Writer or Calci or Impress, we get a blank document. But if we always go for a particular type of document, suppose we are working in a company and we want, whenever we open Writer, we want the name of the company and all of things should be there. I do not need to type it again and again. So for that I have to go for template. Likewise, when we create question paper, basic things are the same. First, terminal examination, so first will be the next thing, but terminal examination will remain as it is. Class 9, 10, 8, time, mark, maximum marks, these things are the same. So if I don't want to type it again and again, I can create a template and I can use the template for the question paper. So for a company, for a question paper, we can go for a model, predefined, pre-formatted model that we can use again and again. This predefined or pre-formatted model is called template. So a template is a model that we can use to create other document. For example, we can create a template for business report, and that report will have the company logo. So whenever I will open openoffice.org Writer, I will get the template from there and it will have the company logo, company name, address, all of these things. So if you will create a new document from this template, it will have the company logo and whatever things you add like address, name of the company will be there. Templates can contain anything that you usually put in a regular document. Templates can have text, templates can have images, templates can have different style, means different formatting, or any user defined setup information also, means measurement in inches or centimeter, whatever language you want, default printer to use for printing, toolbar, different type of menu also you can customize, means whatever things you want to come every time you open Writer or any other openoffice.org application, then you can go for that. All documents, whatever documents you open in openoffice.org are based on template. Basically, they are based on blank template, that is totally blank. You can create a specific template also for your document, either text document in Writer, spreadsheet document in Calci, drawing, draw, and presentation Impress. If you do not specify a template when you start a new document, then document is based on the default template. So whatever default template is given, it will come. Basically, the default template is the blank one. So if you have not specified a default template, by default OpenOffice uses the blank template, means totally blank, nothing will be there for that type of document. So blank template is the default template by openoffice.org. So let's see how we can create a template. We can create our own template in two ways, either using a document, open a document, create a different type of document and save it as a template, or we can use a wizard, step by step process for this. So both we will see. First of all, we will see how we can create a template from a document. So if you want to create a template from a document, what you have to do, you have to open the document and then you can work on it. So open a new or existing document, whatever you want to make template of. I want to make template of text document because right now we are studying Writer. You can create template of a spreadsheet also, drawing also, presentation also. Okay, so let's open openoffice.org text document. So by default you can see we got this default blank document. Okay, now I have to do some formatting and then I can save this as a template. Okay, suppose I am going for a company, so suppose I will insert a picture of the company. Okay, and then suppose I want to type the name and address of the company. So telephone number, whatever things you want, and suppose I'm going to make it bold, give a color. Hmm, Times New Roman to this one. I want to make it large. Okay, can make it align centered. Align center. So this way we have done some formatting, and whenever I want to open this it should come. Okay, so we have seen how to add content and styles, how to create a template from a document, then click on file, then template, and then save. So click on file, here you can see template option is there, this one, and then save. Now you will give a name, suppose eBay company. Whatever name you want you can save so that you can retrieve it easily whenever you want, and then click on OK. So in my template I have saved this new template eBay company and then select OK. So we have a template now that we have saved. You can see we give the name and then OK. In the new template field you have to type a name. I just typed the name for the new template, and in the category list you have to select the category. Whatever category you want you can select, no problem, just it is for you to remember. So any setting that can be added or modified in a document can be saved in template. I saved a picture, I saved some text. Okay, setting also you can save in writer. You can save printer setting, which printer you are going to use, single side or double side printing, size of the paper, A4, A3, and so many things. What are styles that you are going to use, character formatting, page formatting, frame formatting, you want to go for numbering and paragraph styles, whatever you want to go for, indexes, table of content, whatever you will save in the document will be seen as a template. Templates can also contain some predefined text. Means right now I created some predefined text like eBay company limited, address of the company. This way you can help yourself, save yourself from having to type it every time you create a document. Okay, for example, company letter template will contain name of the company, address, salutation. So this way I saved a template. Next is how we can create a template using a wizard. You can use Wizard also to create template for letter, faxes, agenda, presentation, web pages. Okay, so here I am going to create a template for fax. Okay, so we have different options. What are the type of fax that I want to use? Is it a business fax or personal fax? Date, subject line, salutation, complimentary closing means regards, thank you. Options for sender and recipient information, and text to include in the footer. All of these things we can directly provide using the Wizard. Wizard provide a step-by-step direction about how to do things. So let's see how we can create a template using a Wizard. Okay, so from the main menu we have to select file and then Wizard. You can see file and then Wizard, and then we have to select. So file, and here you can see the Wizard. We have different options: letter, fax, agenda, presentation, web page. These are the four types of options which are available with Wizard. Let's go for fax. Okay, so now we have got the Wizard. Now we have to follow the instructions on the page of the Wizard. For different template we have different one. For fax we have different. For letter we have different. For web page we have different. Okay, for agenda we have different. And in the last section of the Wizard you can specify the name and location for saving the template. Okay, let's go for it. So page design, business fax or personal fax. So I want to go for business fax. Next, company logo, date, type of message, subject line. I want to include these things. Next, okay, use user data for return address. You can give return address also. Placeholder for recipient address. Next, if you want to put some footer, for example, suppose address of the company, you can put here. I am just writing address of the company. You can put the address actually. Include page number also. Next, name and location. So in the last section of the Wizard you can specify the name and location for saving the template. Where do you want to save the template? So I want to save the template here. Suppose I want to save the template on desktop, and I have to name the template. So template name, I want it to be my default, my user, or you can write user fax template. Or here you have the option. So default location in your user template directory. Default location is the user template directly, but you can choose a different location. Right now I have chosen a different location. I have chosen desktop. Now finally you have the option of creating a new document from your template immediately or manually changing the template. So you can see, create a fax from this template immediately, or you can make manual changes to this fax template. Then you can click on finish. So I'm going for create a fax from this template. So I'll click on finish and I will get it directly. So we have got it. Okay, directly we have got the option. Okay, next we are having how to set up a default template. By default the template is the blank one, but if you want to create a template that should automatically come when you open OpenOffice.org writer. So if you create a document by clicking on file and then new, then OpenOffice creates the document with the default template, that is the blank template for that type of document. Now if you want to change it, you can set a custom template also to be default. a custom set by you. So how to set a custom template as the default? You can set any template to be the default template, whatever template you want. Okay, as long as it is in the template management dialog. Okay, so see how we can set a custom template as the default. So let's do this. File, template, and then organize. So let's open file, and then we have the option where is template, and then organize. And here we have my template. This is the one created by me, eBay company. Then we have to go to commands, and here set as default template. Okay, so file, template, organize, and then you have to select and then commands button and then set as default template. So commands button and set as default template. So now this is my default template. Okay, so next time you are going to open, you will get it. So close, then click on file, then click on new, and then text documents. I will automatically get this one. The blank document is not coming. So this way we can set any template as the default template. Now resetting the default template. If you want to change any other template as the default, so to re-enable the default template that we usually get, that is the blank one for a document, so what we have to do in the template management dialog, you have to click on any folder, and then in command you have to choose reset default template. So let's do this. File, then we have the option template, then organize, and here we have the option reset default template, then text document. Okay, so now we have got the default template, reset default template. So next time you are going to open file, then new, it will give you the default template. So we have got the blank template, that is the default template. Using the template, if we have saved a template, then how can we use it? To use a particular template that is saved, so I will click on file, then new, and then here in default templates we will get it, file, and then new, and here you can see templates and documents, and here we will try to find our template which we have created. So I have created only one template right now. Previously I have not created any template. Here you will see two things. One is preview. Preview will give you a basic preview of what you are going to get as the template, and this is the document properties created by home, timing. Right now we just created this one, this also, and then you can click on open to open it. So this way you can open our document template to use it. So we have opened it. Now changing to a different template. If you want to change it to a different template, the same thing you have to follow, file, new, and then templates and document. Okay, and then here you have to select the template, whatever template you want. Then you can click and then you can open it again. So whatever template you want, you can open again. So the same process, file, and then here you have to go to new and then templates and document, and from here you can select the template that you want and then click on open. It will open the template. Now at last, when you have created the file, then you can update the document. So to update a document, just we have to simply go to file and then click on save as. So suppose we have this file, so I will click on file and then I will click on save, as, and here I will be able to save it with whatever way I want. So this is complete.